What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to create AI dashboards like this. And dashboard has literally replaced these dashboard designer, Power BI guys. I mean, of course, if you are a specialist, you could do so much better. But to a large extent, a lot of the dashboard work can be done with just Google Sheets and Google Gemini. Look how beautiful this dashboard is. See, what has happened is this is the data that my client has shared with me. Okay, this is the amount of leads that they have, this is the application, this is what the ad tracking is, and this is analysis of every ad, and it's all numbers, and it's like I mean, you get it, right? It's like a lot of numbers, and it's not very visual. So I just asked Gemini to create a marketing dashboard for us, and it creates such beautiful dashboard that allows us to see it visually, see the data visually. It's very easy to take decisions, and all you have to do is prompt, and this is how simple it is. For example, I'll take the case of another client of mine, let's say Sugita, and I'll be like, hey, I'll just do this and create a canvas. So this is how it is. On the left side of the screen, you'll see this thing called as canvas menu. Okay, and I'll go to this sheet 24. I'm gonna delete, and just so I'll delete the unnecessary sheets, and okay, and what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and click on create a canvas, and I'll say create a dashboard that shows how my marketing is performing. All the numbers are in latest ad tracking sheet, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So what it will do is it will check that particular sheet where you're entering all your numbers. You have all the closes. Like pretty much, we are very rigorously managing the data to see what's good, what's not good, and I'll obviously come back once the processing is done. It takes it's quite a bit of time to create like a dashboard, like 5 to 10 minutes, which is not technically quite a bit of time, but it creates very nice dashboards. Just wait for a bit and see how what kind of result it creates. And here you go. This is so cool, right? So it says how much money we have spent, what's the gross revenue. Also give me data on a daily basis. I could give it instructions like, hey, all the numbers are in rupees, so I'll put rupee symbol and be like, I also want to be able to filter it by month and year. So add like a toggle or some sort of option to check different months performance. There you go. You can just hit enter like that, and obviously it will go ahead and create. This is how easy it is. And you know what? Like, I recently hired a company to build dashboards for us. They charged us 1.5 lakhs. Well, I don't think we'll need to do that anymore. So that's how crazy it is, right? All right, now you can see it has changed the currency to India, and it has given me, month by month data, how we have kind of done it, right? Obviously, there are good months, bad months. We are looking at overall how it has happened, correct? So I think this is really awesome to connect it, and it updates in real time, this dashboard. So that's the coolest thing about it, correct? So yeah, so if you are trying to build a business command center, this is exactly how you can do it using AI. And I think this is one of the best use cases of Gemini right now. Thank you very much for watching. If you want more such content, hit subscribe.